In our daily lives, we come across a variety of objects moving at varying rates. Some objects travel along a path at different rates. While some move at a constant rate. What does the rate of movement of an object indicate? The rate at which an object moves is the speed of the object. Speed of an object is the distance traveled by the object in unit time. Speed is represented as v. S is the distance covered, and the total time taken is denoted by t. Speed is a scalar quantity. Hence, we only calculate its magnitude and not its direction of motion. If a car covers a distance of 250 kilometers in 2 hours, its speed is calculated as shown here. Here, distance was recorded in kilometers and time in hours. Hence, the unit of speed is kilometer per hour. The speed of objects covering larger distances is generally expressed in kilometers per hour. The speed of objects covering smaller distances is expressed in meters per second. When an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time throughout its motion, its speed is said to be uniform. In real-life situations, the rate at which an object moves constantly varies. In such cases, the speed that is calculated is the average speed. Let's see how to convert speed from one unit to another. Before converting 65 kilometers per hour into meters per second, let's recall some basic conversion. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, and 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. Shown here is how 65 kilometers per hour converts into meters per second. To convert from kilometers per hour to meters per second, you can multiply the number by the factor 5 by 18. Now, let's see how to convert 20 meters per second into kilometers per hour. Shown here is how 20 meters per second converts into kilometers per hour. To convert a value from meters per second to kilometers per hour, you need to multiply the number by the factor 18 by 5. If we consider the direction of motion also, then the rate of motion is the velocity of the object. In other words, velocity is speed with direction. Velocity is calculated as the displacement of an object in unit time. Velocity is denoted by v, S denotes displacement and t denotes the total time. While traveling from point A to point B, this person covers a distance of 500 meters in 1000 seconds. However, the displacement he experiences is only 200 meters. His average velocity is calculated as shown here. Like speed, velocity is expressed in meters per second or kilometers per hour. Velocity is a vector quantity because it includes both magnitude and direction. Therefore, the velocity of an object changes when the object changes its speed or direction, or both speed and direction. An object is said to have uniform velocity when it travels equal distances in equal intervals of time along a particular direction. However, in real life, the velocity of an object constantly varies. So, we take the average of the object's initial velocity and final velocity. This is known as average velocity. In the formula for calculating average velocity, the initial velocity is denoted by u, and the final velocity is denoted by v. Average velocity is also calculated as the ratio of displacement to the total time taken.